Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is exponent. Right. In this chapter, we are going to see some of the rules which will be helpful in solving the questions. See, first of all, we can see if any number is written in the form of power, like this, 4 to the power 5. Then this 5 is called exponent, or we can say power. And this 4, this is known as base. Right? So here are the rules. As our first rule says that a to the power m dot a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Now, by seeing the example, it will be easier for us to understand this rule. See, a is base, m is power. A is base, n is power. What about this? This is multiply. Now, if any number is there, for example, if it is written 2 to the power 4 dot 2 to the power 3, and if we have to solve it, then how we are going to solve? See, if the bases are same, powers are different. In case of multiply, we are going to add the power. 4 plus 3. It means 2 to the power 7. Right? We can further solve it by writing the value of 2 to the power 7. Right? Now, this is the first rule. Second rule, may I write here? No. Second is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Now, here you have seen how this has been solved in the examples. Now this. Here there is a sign of multiply. Now there is a sign of divide. What we can do, bases are same. Just take an example of same 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3. Now we have to solve. In case of multiply, we are adding the powers, but in case of divide, we have to subtract the powers. 2, 4 minus 3. Right? This will be 2 to the power 1. Right? Now, our third rule. A to the power m whole bracket n. We can write it as a to the power mn. Means power will be multiplied. See the example also. Because of one thing I would like to say, I think because of fan which is working here, the camera is little bit tilting. So try to understand. 2 to the power 4 whole 2. Now what we can do? 2 to the power 4 into 2, 8. Right? We can take another example also. For example, 3 to the power 2 whole 3. Then 3 to the power 6. Base can be any, but you have to see that bases should be equal. in these two, but in the third one you are seeing how it has been applied. Now, fourth rule. A to the power minus m. It will be 1 upon a to the power m. Just see the example. 4 minus 2. If any negative power is there, we have to write 1 upon 4 upon 4 to the power 2. Right? This is our fourth rule. Fifth rule. Any base having its power 0, the answer will be 1. Like example, 3 to the power 0, 1. 15 to the power 0, 1. 4 to the power 0, 1. If base is 0, power is 0, then the answer will be 1. Clear? So these are the rules of exponent that we have to memorize, and these will be helpful in solving the questions. Clear? Now, by an example, we will try to solve. See how the questions are framed. Our first question, write in exponential form. For example, if it is written 256 and we have to write this 256 in exponential form. Exponential form means we have to write in form of powers. So how we are going to write it? See, we have to do 256, we have to do the prime factorization. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 six are 12, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. I hope this you all know how to do it. Let's check it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, right? 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 8, right? 2 3 are 2 16, 2 twos are 2 ones. Yes, this is right. Now, we are seeing the factors coming out. Now we have to just count and write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power 8. See how this 256 has been written in exponential form. Clear? Now, this reverse of this, if we have to write in, we have to simplify or we have to solve the value. If it is written 2 to the power 3, then we have to do 2 into 2 into 2. If it is written 5 to the power 2, then 5 into 5. If it is written 6 to the power 3, 6 into 6 into 6. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 5 5 the 25. 6 6 the 36. 36 into 6. Solve it. Clear? Now, while doing the exercises, we have to use that formula which I had discussed few minutes before. Right? So these are the basics. Now try to do the exercises. Right? And if you have any problem, just send me the questions. Thank you.